Hello and welcome to today's presentation. Thank you all for coming. My name is Miriam Martinez and I am a biology student. With that said, today's topic is mitochondrial DNA. So you might be asking yourself, what is mitochondrial DNA? We will cover that in this presentation. What is mitochondrial DNA? Why is it important? Why should we care? And what's our role? What can we do about it? With that said, I will begin with a couple of statistics. According to the American Cancer Association, it is said that every year over 1 million people is diagnosed with cancer, and unfortunately over 40,000 people die of breast cancer alone. But did you know that mitochondrial DNA could possibly be the key into a cure, or possibly completely erasing cancer? Well, but I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Let me go back just a little bit and explain exactly what is mitochondrial DNA. Well, what is mitochondrial DNA? Mitochondrial DNA is a special DNA found inside the mitochondria. Now, if you can recall what a mitochondria is, it's an organelle, a tiny microscopic organ. As you all can see, this is a cell, and this inside is the mitochondria. It is used as a powerhouse. It creates energy for the cell, and it's totally inherited by the mother. Now, there's a specific DNA, exactly 37 genes to be exact, that makes up mitochondrial DNA. And out of those 37 genes, I have a picture here that you guys can see. Do I have a helper? This is the 37 genes. This 37 genes. 13 genes are used for enzyme productions, and the other 24 genes are used to make transfer RNA and ribosomal RNA. Now you might ask me, what is ribosomal DNA? Well, ribosomal DNA is the instructions to make amino acids, and amino acids are essentially what make up life. They're the building blocks of life. They help with everything. They're antibodies, they're enzymes, they're messengers. They are used as storage. They're essential for everyday survival.
Yeah.
So you must be asking yourself, why is this important?
No.
Well, it's important because it helps you maintain homeostasis.
So,
You know, like I said, ribosomal DNA is what gives the instructions to make amino acids. And amino acids are antibodies that help fight illnesses, that help cure you.
okay.
They act as enzymes, which help with digestion and everyday operations. They also act as messengers, sending messages to different parts of your organs and your brain. So they're very important. They're important to maintain you. They're important for you to go on with your day-to-day operations. Without them, you couldn't function as a person. And research has shown from the National Biomedical Institute that certain somatic mutations in mitochondrial DNA is what causes many cancers. Now I have a list of some illnesses that these mutations happen to. They cancers like colon cancer, breast cancer, liver cancer, kidney cancers. All these cancers are associated with they're terminal cancers. They are the ones that kill you. And other diseases that it causes is blindness, deafness, all caused by these mutations in DNA. So they're important because if we know how they function, if we know how they work, then we can definitely find a cure for cancer and completely eliminate it from the map. Now, wouldn't that be exciting, a world without cancer?
Yes.
Well, you must be asking yourself, so what's my role? Well, how is this important? It's hereditary, I cannot change it. Well, there is something you can do about it. The one thing you can do is, request more research to be done. Talk to your governor, talk to your government, ask them to help fund this research. There is some research being done currently, but not enough. Not enough to help us find a cure, not enough to help us battle illnesses. So that's what you can do. You can definitely demand your government to help you. And of course, the more knowledgeable you are on the subject, the better it will be, the more information you can gather, and the more we're going to be closer to finding a cure. Now, I've listed here some websites for you if you are interested in more information, if you want to go more into detail with about the DNA and the genes in mitochondria. These are here if you want to go and take a look at it. If there's any questions, please go ahead and ask. Yes, sir?
I don't care. I stay your statement, but explain more on what you're talking about.
What do you mean, sir?
The part about the mitochondria and everything needs to do about cancer.
Well, there are certain mutations inside the cell that are caused inside the mitochondria that have it linked with the cancers that I named, like lung and kidney. And it is exactly these mutations that they're trying to discover a way to go fix them or go around them. And if we can find that, then that is how we're going to be able to find a cure. As I said, there are some websites you can go to and take a look, especially this one, Micromagnet, that has good information on treatment and the brand new research being done. Well, with that said, I hope to leave you all with one message, that mitochondrial DNA is a special DNA found inside the cell. Like I said, it contains 37 genes, 13 of them for enzymes, and the other 24 are the ones for ribosomal DNA, which are the important ones. And the best thing we can do as a society is, get knowledgeable and demand research. Well, thank you guys all for coming, and hope to see you again.